Hi, it's John here from Mindset Universe, and a huge welcome to today's video, which is all about breathing techniques to help you get relaxed and back to a sense of calm. Now, there's 7 really easy breathing techniques here, so stay tuned because I know something is really going to work for you. Now, of course, breathing techniques, you've probably seen it all over YouTube and in the press and what have you. They are becoming really popular. Now, professionals, leaders, students, anyone that you can think of, they are starting to use breathing techniques to get calm, to get more clarity, and to boost their positivity and also their productivity. It may sound simple, but some of the techniques are, you need a little bit of practice there to get them right. So you might say it's like a skill or an art, but once you start practicing it, it becomes easier and easier. So if you're ready to try one, let's have a look at the first suggestion. Now, very quick and easy, get comfortable. Now, meditating and practicing mindfulness, it all begins and ends with being comfortable. Now, some venture to say that the only requirement is getting comfortable, and then you let the mind do the rest and you get into a breathing rhythm. And with these exercises you can sit, you can stand, you can lay down, but the big thing here is that you're relaxing all the muscles in your body and you're starting to get calm and feel comfortable. So how about starting with just breathing out? What you want to do is you take a deep breath in, you want to hold it for a few seconds, and then just let that breath out. You want to let all that old air out. Now, when I say old air, it's basically that is air from moments ago, and it is old air. It is no longer in the present moment, so just let it all go. You also want to feel your stomach. Now, this might sound weird at first, but to fully get into a breathing technique, you want to feel your stomach. You can put your hand on it and feel it, collapse, expand as you inhale and exhale. With the breathing out, you want to breathe out for 3 seconds. Now, since we are unaccustomed to breathing correctly, normally, with our diaphragm, it's helpful to feel your stomach moving up and down as you do a breathing exercise. That way you know you're doing it correctly and you're getting all of the benefits. Just put your hand on your stomach when you start to use these breathing techniques. And breathing in, after finishing your exhale, after getting rid of all that old air, take new air, so air in the present, in through your nose and feel it as it makes its way through your body. You want to breathe in for 3 seconds or basically however long that feels comfortable for you. That could be 4 or 5 seconds, but it will fill your lungs and you'll feel your stomach expand with all that new air that is in the present. Once you become used to doing this, you can breathe out for a little longer. This time when you exhale, maybe breathe out for 5 seconds and make sure you breathe out through your mouth. You feel your body empty all of that old air, because again, it's not in the present, it's old air. And then get ready to breathe in new air and become one with the present again. So just try and breathe out a bit longer as you become used to these techniques. And that follows on to breathing in longer, whenever that actually feels right. Try breathing in through your nose for 5, maybe to 7 seconds this time, and then feel the air on your nostrils and the calm it brings to your body. And as you become more accustomed to these techniques, you'll be able to breathe in for longer and also breathe out for longer. Then once you get the hang of this type of mindfulness breathing, just think about what it's doing to your mind. Realize the calm it's bringing to you. You know, you're feeling invigorated. You feel your body becoming more energized, and the change of old, the air coming out of you, and the welcoming of the new as you breathe in that fresh new air. Now, as with any new technique, it might not feel 100% comfortable at first, but just try and do a few sessions and become used to it, and you'll begin to feel the positive impact that this will have on you. And also, I've got some other great breathing technique videos on the Mindset Universe YouTube channel, so don't forget to have a look at those. And after doing this, a big question for you: how do you feel? Okay, thanks for watching this video, and I really hope you found it helpful. Now, one thing I need to make you aware of is that we've got some great free content and some brilliant exclusive resources in the video description. So, take a look down there. There's bound to be something which will really help you, even further. And also, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. And if you subscribe to the channel, then you'll be one of the first to get notified when a new video is released. And if you've got any comments about the video, you want to get involved in the conversation, then don't forget to head down to the video comments section as well. So again, thanks for watching, and as always, try not to worry when you don't have to.